So here the question says there is three circle that are mutually tangent and their centers are PQ and R and the distance are given. We need to find the diameter of the circle centered P. So for example, this is our one circle, this is another circle, and this is another circle. So they all are mutually interconnected, so they are connected. So this is, for example, P centered, this is Q centered, this is R centered. So we will connect this one, and this one. So PQ is equal to A, so this distance is A. We'll write it here. PQ is equal to A. QR is equal to what? QR is equal to P and RP is equal to C. Now for P centered circle, we assume the radius is RP, so it will be RP and this will be also RP. This will be RQ, this will also be RQ, and this will be RR, and also this will be RR. So now for PQ is this distance. What can we write? A is equal to Q, RP plus RQ. For QR, it will be RQ plus RR, and for RP, it will be RP plus RR. So we need to find the value of RP as it wants the diameter of this one. So now if we add these terms, we'll get RP plus RQ plus RQ plus RR plus RP plus RR is equal to A plus B plus C. And so we want this one, so it will be 2RP plus 2 into RQ plus RR is equal to A plus B plus C, and 2RP plus 2 into, and RQ plus RR is equal to P, so we can write it P is equal to A plus B plus C. So 2RP is equal to A plus C minus P, and that is the diameter of this P centered circle, and this is our answer. Because RP is the radius, so the diameter will be